and I see why. I got this lever on that side of the ground post, and so I have to fix that. Put it on the right side. And things will work right. Hopefully. I think when I put the wire on, I tightened up the posting here. I got something wrong. So let me pause everything and figure out what the problem is, and I'll come back. We're getting there. 36 minutes though. Okay, we got it all adjusted. We got the music box back on. I got the fishing line through the eye hook, and when I pull on it, music play, light comes on. And this is to hide everything, but there's no hole in the wood for the fishing line. So honestly, I don't know. I think the fishing line actually is supposed to come out the back, and I'll show you in a second why I think that. There's a notch right here. Hopefully you could see it. There's a notch right here, and I think that's where the fishing line comes out the back, which makes sense because after I got the weight on it, the fishing line will dangle behind the clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Next thing I have to do is put the glass on and find some hands and put the little weight for the fishing line. The clock didn't come with a pendulum or a weight, but we're getting there, and I hope y'all are liking this video. I'm not going to show you, stand by, let me get the glass. I take that back. The clock didn't come with the weight, but it did come with a pendulum. And I thank my friend for that. And here's the handle for the fishing line. But I'm not going to show you me cleaning up this glass and putting it on. I think it just slides in like that, which it does. But I gotta get some hands. I gotta get a weight. And so I'm gonna make a short video after I got it all up and running. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please leave me some comments. And let me know what you think. God bless each and every one of you.